Okay, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, and I'm coming back at you. So I just wanted to show you, remember that experiment I was doing about putting the cherry tomatoes inside the pineapple to go ahead and help flowering quickly? So if you look at my previous videos, there was no flowers on any of these pineapples. Okay, so you look at the previous videos, you see that. And I put these cherry tomatoes inside because it releases a gas that helps the pineapples flower a lot quickly. So you see the pine and you see the cherry tomato, so it's shriveled up, and you see the pineapple flowering. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you some more. It's another pineapple flowering. And I also cut down my moringa because it was too tall, so I chopped it because I forces it out. So I took the leaves and stripped it off of the branches and just threw it in here. Alright, so you see that one's flowering. You see that one's flowering. I don't know if you can see inside here. You know, so this is where I put the tomatoes at. Cherry tomatoes that you just grab from Walmart, Aldi's, whatever. And you see them flowering. And there's one over here. I don't feel like sticking myself all up trying to get over there. But, yeah. So, you know, that experiment is working. Like I said, you may say, well, they're big. Well, I'm only going on 1 year and some months that I made my pineapple patch. It's in a previous video of when I actually made it. And I stuck all the pineapples together. And basically took the head off the pineapples and threw it in there. And then learned about putting the cherry or grape tomato on top that releases a gas to help these flower a lot quickly. So that's what you do. Also, you see these right here. So we already had got a sugarloaf. If you see the difference in the leaf coloring there, that's a sugarloaf pineapple compared to the regular pineapple. They actually had some on sale at Lowe's yesterday over there near Ocoee. But anyway, the sugarloaf ones. So this one right here had already given us a sugarloaf pineapple, and then it made a whole bunch of suckers. And basically, it's just coming back and bringing some more. So there is a pineapple flower in there, but I would have to step over all of that to show it to you. And we have another sugarloaf right here. So yeah, I don't do very much of anything to them. Really, it's been raining now, so that's why they look a little yellow, because they don't like excessive water, obviously. So yeah, that's what's going on. And every time I get a pineapple head, I just stick it right there in the ground. I'll let it grow some, and then I'll go ahead and I'll actually put one of those cherry tomatoes in there, which seems to help foster growth, because I record exactly when I put the pineapple in there, when I take it off of the pineapple that I bought from the store, or take it off of my pineapple that grew. I put it in there and I record by putting a cherry tomato in one of them and not putting a cherry tomato in another, that the growth, it grows a lot quicker. So I have not been growing pineapples for a long time. I haven't even had my garden for a long time. So this is still a beginning gardener. So, you know, go ahead and do your research, but it's not going to hurt you to try and see if it works, right? So instead of waiting for 2 or 3 or 4 years or whatever for a pineapple, go ahead and try that and see if it works for you. Okay? So this is Dee signing off. Just bringing you this video. Hopefully you're having a peaceful day. Goodbye.